Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to talk about. How to improve your eye health through eye training courses. We live in the digital age and our eyes go through a lot of eye strain every day, so it's important to take care of them. Before we get into the details, let's discuss why eye health matter. Our modern lifestyles often involve staring at the screens for hours, working on a computer, and scrolling through our phones. This can lead to digital eye strain and myopia. Our eyes were not naturally designed for it. Symptoms and effects of digital eye strain can include eye fatigue, dryness in the eyes, blurry vision, and headaches. But there is a solution: eye training courses. Eye training courses can teach you to relax and stretch your eye muscles, enhancing your overall eye health. They're like a workout for your eyes. Let's take a look at a simple eye exercise that you can try at home or even at work. Blinking exercise. Relaxedly blink 10 times. This helps moisten your eyes and reduce dryness and eye strain. Light eye stretching eye exercise. Look up, left, and right. Then diagonally. Upper left, lower right, upper right, lower left. Circular movement. This exercise helps to relieve strains from your eye muscles. Now these exercises are great, but the eye training course, Eyesight Academy, takes it to the next level. Well-structured online program with a variety of eye exercises targeting different aspects of your eye health. Online platforms and apps provide a wide range of exercises that you can do at your own pace. Absolutely regular eye exercises and training can be incredibly beneficial. They help maintain the flexibility of your eye muscles and improve blood circulation to the eyes, which can contribute to better overall eye health. Incorporating eye training courses into your routine can be a game changer for your eye health, especially in this digital age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on health and wellness.